Well, today we're doing another 3D model print. So this was a print I downloaded and did on my Bamboo A1 Mini. These. And this was an APC, so there's a print on the Bamboo Studio, which I'll try and link to if I remember in the comments box. For this guy that's done some APC stuff. So he's done like this is a 60% model, but he's done one that's 100%, which I think is about 1/35 scale, something like that, might be a little bit bigger. And it's amazing, it's got full interior as far as it fits. Sorry, that's my printer going, you can probably hear it. And it comes in pieces and it's steerable and it's got everything, but it's not made for my Mini, unfortunately. But he did do this simplified one, so I printed this, and it took about, well, I did it yesterday, so it took probably all day to print, but it's because it has to print like that. But the detail is really nice. So I did it in colour because I figure that way I can just give it some weathering. I think it will look good. I did the black parts in droppable print in charcoal matte finish, so that will look good. That could just get some weathering. So you get the wheels, the two body parts, all the gun parts. But what's really clever is he's designed it so that everything has got a hole, and you get a peg and you get the axles. So no instructions, unfortunately, but it seems simple enough to do. So what we're going to do is make this up and probably make it up complete and then do some weathering on it. Okay, so wheels fit in the tyres. It's not a bad fit. I will put some super glue on it though, just to keep it secure. See a minute, my super glue hasn't gone on. It needs a blob just to hold it on. There we go. One. Doing the simplest thing there, I've got super glue on my fingers. So. Okay. 4, that should be enough to hold it. Okay, let's have a look what else we've got. So we've got a gun, and that needs barrels, which are there. Doesn't need any tidy up. And pretty much I've done no tidy up on these. This is exactly as they come off. Just astounding. So you've got a machine gunny bit. The axles. The axles come in 2 parts, I think, so we need to glue them together. It's quite clever, I suppose, because it gives it more strength. Gravity's one again. There we go. I'll put some clip on it, just hold it. Okay. So we've got some sort of exhaust panel. It goes there. There we go. Something like that. else have we got? That's the bracket. Bring some pictures up. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, I see. I see. So there's some really little tiny prints, and they go on top of the sliding gun. So I'll cut them out, but I'll do that separately because it's a bit, looks very fiddly. Okay, so what have we got here then? We've got two big pegs. Two, they must be the barrels, the thick ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 small ones to hold them together. So, oh, and 2 green ones. What are these green ones for? Too big for that. I don't know what the green ones are for. Ah, no, because they're those black ones. So the next step is probably glue these on, which I won't glue on just yet. I'll poke them in the holes because I need to get the there we go. They fit really well. This is better than the old kit version from Halcyon. Remember that? That was a terrible kit, to be honest. So it goes in like that, and I think that goes in there. Oh, I see. We've got to get one off. Okay. Put it like that. Get that in. There we go, and then the gun moves. I like that. That one's not coming out. There we go. So you wouldn't even need to glue this, I don't think. Try and leave it loose, just in case. And then that fits on like that. Ooh. That's clever, isn't it? So okay, so what I'm going to do is glue everything else together, and then we'll come back and we'll start weathering it and doing some painting details. Okay, so it all went together very well. There's a little bit of a seam line, but it's not too noticeable. So what I'm going to do is like pick out the windows in black and some other detail, and I'm going to put some panel wash on. I don't know whether this is going to work particularly well, but we can see. And a paper shear somewhere. Fall on the floor. Nope. There it is. Right, let's have a look. I've got a feeling it might not work too well. So what I'm going to do is do like these. Oh no, that's worked quite well. I thought it would seep into all the mold, you know, the printing lines, but pretty good. So I'm going to give it some weathering, different colours, some dry brushing. We'll come back and have a look. Okay, so finished painting the APC. Basically just weathering, because I'd printed it in this olive drab filament. It just needed some weathering. If you wanted to really detail it, you could spray it, but the trouble is, as you start spraying, you just need to start filling, and I just wanted more of a toy-like one. So it went together really easily, really good print actually, very well done. So it's got turning wheels, so it will roam about. Be ideal for like wargaming. You've got a sliding gun rail, and also turns, which is really good. I haven't glued the rails in yet, need to do that. Turning, I suppose, machine gun turret. You can get print this on a bigger scale for a bigger printer, and you actually got a sliding door, cantilevered wheel so you can turn, and an interior, so I might look at doing that. I have to borrow my wife's printer. So it's perfect size for these little gaming miniatures. They can actually get in and out of it. I know in the film they stand above it, but it doesn't. The interior and the exterior doesn't match, so I think it's about the right size for these. And you could scale it up and down if you wanted to. So yeah, really happy with that. It was a super quick print. It's like less than an afternoon's printing, probably an hour or so enjoyable weathering, and you've got a nice little APC, and you're not paying hundreds of pounds for the Halcyon kit, which I used to have. I wish I'd kept. But yeah, great. 3D printing, such a good thing for doing these one-off models that you would like in a display, but you're not going to pay hundreds of quids for. But if you want to see more 3D printing, let me know. I've got various things. And with a Golden Guns gun I've just printed yesterday. Please like and subscribe if you can, and we have a Patreon page now if you want to help us out that way. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.